You want to learn how to single crochet, and I'm going to show you. First, we will be flipping your chain over. I do have a how to chain video, so if you want to, look at it. But we're going to flip it over, and we're going to go into these back bottom loops only. Insert your hook into that bottom loop, pull the yarn through, and then pull the yarn through those two loops. And this is how we just have a smooth chain crochet project, so that it's not lopsided, it don't look crazy or anything like that. This is the slowed down portion of this video. So you're going to insert your hook into that bottom loop, pull our working yarn through that loop, and then pull the working yarn through the two loops that we have now. And we're just going to repeat that process the entire time. Insert the hook, pull the yarn through that loop, grab the yarn again and pull it through both of those loops, and we'll be starting over, and this is what you should have. When we get to the end, I like to include that tail that we had in the beginning. So after we finish the last single crochet, I like to combine the tail and our working yarn together to ensure that we don't have any stragglers when we are sewing our tail in. Like, we really don't want to see where the project started, so I like to do this in order to get rid of it. After turning our crochet project, prior to that, I do like to chain one, and then I'm also going to go into our first stitch. So not the chain one, but the actual first stitch. Here I'm going to show you again when we get to that last stitch. We are going to single crochet into the last stitch. We also are going to chain one. This is just to ensure that your edges are straight. So this is the easiest way that I have to maintain those straight edges, so that you are not mistakenly increasing your stitches or decreasing. Everything is staying solid.